Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. My topic today is codominance, and in the previous lecture we have studied regarding the incomplete dominance that was discovered by Codominance. Now, what is codominance and what are the different kinds of the examples of the codominance? Codominance, as we know, in the Mendelianism, we have studied that there are two factors or two alleles for the same gene. And according to the law of dominance, out of two factors or out of two alleles, only one shows its phenotype expression and other remains as recessive or its expression remains masked. As far as the codominance is concerned, in the codominance, the two factors pertaining to the same gene, both these factors or both these alleles show their phenotypic expression. So, what is meant by it is, say for example, अगर ये क्रोमोसोम है, अगर ये क्रोमोसोम नंबर 1 है या क्रोमोसोम नंबर 12 है, whatever the chromosome in the cell, और इस क्रोमोसोम का होमोलॉग इसके नजदीक है, this is it is homologous क्रोमोसोम, और इस क्रोमोसोम जो ये क्रोमोसोम है, one chromosome out of the two कहां से आएगा? ये आएगा from the paternal side, ये पैटर्नल साइड से आएगा, एंड अनदर क्रोमोसोम विल कम फ्रॉम द मैटरनल साइड. चलो मान के चलते हैं जो पैटर्नल साइड का जो क्रोमोसोम है इस पे एक फैक्टर है, देयर इज वन फैक्टर ऑन द पैटर्नल क्रोमोसोम, एंड इसी फैक्टर की दूसरी कॉपी जो होगी या इसी अलील का जो दूसरा अलील होगा, इट विल बी प्रेजेंट हियर ऑन इट इज homologous chromosome. Say for example, this factor is coming from the maternal side. So there are the two chromosomes in a cell. One chromosome is coming from the paternal side and another chromosome is coming from the maternal side. As for the Mendelian inheritance is concerned, out of these two factors, only one should have expressed its phenotype expression. But in case of the codominance, जहां तक codominance का ताल्लुक है, as far as the codominance is concerned, जो दोनों फैक्टर्स है या जो दोनों एलील्स है, ये अपने अपने रेस्पेक्टिव फिनोटाइपिक एक्सप्रेशन दिखाते हैं. ये भी अपना फिनोटाइपिक एक्सप्रेशन दिखाता है. इट इज शोइंग इट इज फिनोटाइप, अपना फिनोटाइप, यानी ये जीन ये एलील भी एक्सप्रेस होता है और ये एलील भी एक्सप्रेस होता है. इट इज आल्सो शोइंग इट इज फिनोटाइपिक एक्सप्रेशन. In phenotypic expression, understand, when two alleles pertaining to the same gene show their respective phenotypic expression, this pattern or this phenomena is called as codominance. And we are seeing different kinds of the examples as far as the codominance is concerned. And what are these examples? One by one we will study. The first example of the codominance we can see in the ABO blood group system of human beings. The first example is ABO blood group system. ABO blood group system. You see, the ABO blood group system formation is regulated by two kinds of the chromosomes. There are two chromosomes. One chromosome is called as chromosome number 19, and another chromosome is called as chromosome number 9. As far as the chromosome number 19 is concerned, it is making in the RBCs of the human beings, it is making a special kind of the substance. That substance is called as H substance. Say for example, if this is an RBC, understand, and the gene present on the chromosome number 19, it is making a special kind of substance. It is making a special kind of substance over it. Understand? And the name of this substance is H substance. It is known as H substance. It is comprised of number one oligosaccharide. It is comprised of oligosaccharide. Number two, it is comprised of fructose sugar. इसमें oligosaccharides होती है, the various kinds of the sugar units, plus there is also present fructose. And the chromosome number 9 is responsible for making different kinds of the antigens on the RBC of the human beings. If this is a RBC, this chromosome number 9, there are two chromosome number 9. Say for example, this is a chromosome number 9. This is a chromosome number 9. It is actually the chromosome number 9 pair. There are two chromosome number 9 in the human cell, and in the chromosome number 9 there are two alleles present. Rather, they may be in a single individual there will be two alleles, but in the human population there are three alleles present, and these alleles are represented by, say, IA, IB, and there is another allele. Sometimes in this pair there may be IA, there may be IB, or there may be IA, or there may be IA and IB. Just I have shown. Say for example, if a chromosome number 9 homologous pair has got the two types of the alleles present over it, so that means these two alleles are pertaining to the same gene, and these two alleles, the IA allele is making a special kind of antigen here, and the name of the antigen is antigen A. And this allele IB, it is forming a different kinds of the antigen here. And what is the different kinds of the antigen? The different kind of the antigen, that is called the antigen B. What is actually this antigen A? It is actually N-acetyl glucose amine, or NAGA, or it is called as NAGA. So allele IA governs the formation of the antigen A, and allele B governs the formation of antigen B. And what is this antigen B? It is actually the galactose molecule. It is actually the galactose molecule. So the activity of the IB is to form galactose, and activity of the IA is to form NAGA, N-acetyl glucosamine. You see, if the single individual has got this homologous pair of the chromosome in its cells, and it is RBCs during the erythropoiesis process, during the formation of the erythrocytes, that individual is found to have antigen A as well as antigen B present on its RBCs. That means that both the alleles, IA allele as well as the IB allele, is making their respective phenotype expressions. So this is an excellent example of the codominance. So there is a single individual, एक ही इंडिविजुअल के अंदर दो एलील्स पाए जाते हैं होमोलॉगस क्रोमोसोम नंबर 9 पे, दोनों एलील्स जिनको डिजिग्नेट कर लेते हैं बाय मींस ऑफ IA एंड IB, दोनों एलील्स अपने रेस्पेक्टिव फिनोटाइप एक्सप्रेशन बना देते हैं. That is, they are making the NAGA and acetyl glucosamine, and they are making the galactose. This is one of the example of what we call as a codominance. And the next example we will be taking in the next video.